Edge-polished glass. Edge-polished glass is created by taking regular or clear glass and polishing its edges to a smooth, glossy, and safe finish. This type of glass is widely used for tabletops, counters, decorative panels, glass shelves, and premium interior installations where exposed edges need to look elegant. You can identify edge-polished glass by looking for its shiny, mirror-like edges that feel smooth and rounded to the touch, ensuring safety and enhancing visual appeal. A worthwhile fact is that polished edges not only improve safety by removing sharpness, but also elevate the overall aesthetic without changing the clarity of the main glass surface.